Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to turn something very simple, something very playful into something truly beautiful. Yes, today's video is still about crafting with twigs. Beauty and simple creativity. We are creating elegant handmade decor using natural twigs, small branches that are often ignored, yet full of characters and charm. Twig craft is calm, earthy, and timeless. Twig connect us to nature. They are free, eco-friendly, and beautifully imperfect. Instead of buying expensive decor, we can transform natural twigs into stunning wall-hanging ornaments and rustic art pieces, wall-hanging decor, beautiful lamp, beautiful table centerpiece. This kind of craft brings peace, warmth, and a natural soul into your home. For this craft, we are using natural dried twigs, jute rope and bull fabric, hot glue or a strong adhesive wooden base or recycled cardboard, dried flowers, roses or leaves, optional fairy lights for a soft glow, simple materials, beautiful results. First, clean the twigs properly, remove dust and loose bark. Let them dry completely in sunlight. Each twig has a unique shape. Do not try to make them perfect. Their irregularity is their beauty. Now we begin arranging the twigs. Some are tied together with jute rope, some are glued carefully into the base. Slowly, a rustic pattern starts forming. We add burlap bowls, dried roses, and small natural elements. Every step feels calming. This is not rushed work, it's mindful crafting. Working with twigs feels grounding. It reminds us to slow down, to breathe, to enjoy simplicity. Twig decor does not shout, it softly speaks elegance and warmth. Once completed to style your twig decor beautifully, hang it on a wall, door, or above a console table. Add warm fairy lights for a cozy atmosphere. Twig ornaments suit farmhouse, boho, rustic, and minimalist interiors. These handmade twig pieces can be used as wall decor, doorways, seasonal decorations, or thoughtful handmade gifts. You can also sell them online or at local craft fair. Their decor is always in demand. If you enjoyed this peaceful twig craft journey, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell me in the comment how you would style twig decor in your home. Until next time, stay connected to nature and keep crafting with love. Today we are creating something calm, earthy, and truly beautiful. This video is all about crafting with natural twigs, simple branches collected from nature and turned into elegant handmade decor. Nature gives us everything, we just need to see its beauty. Twigs may look ordinary, but they hold a rustic charm. They bring warmth, peace, and a natural feel to any space. Twig craft is affordable, eco-friendly, and perfect for home decor lovers. Instead of buying expensive decoration, we can create our own with heart and creativity. For today's craft, we are using natural dried twigs, jute rope and burlap fabric, hot glue or strong craft glue, wooden base or recycled cardboard.